Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to send the direct contact to your new client through the Upwork, then this video is for you. First, you have to log into your Upwork account. After logging into your Upwork account, make sure that your account is completed to 100%. Now, from here, you can find direct contract at the home page of the Upwork. Here, you can simply click on this to direct contract. So, how it works, you can see they have just instructed that create and send contract to your non-Upwork client. So your client creates an account to accept the contract and then funds the project. So you will get paid when you complete the work. So that's how you can say Upwork actually work as a middleman on in this case here. So if you want to create contact, so you can do is simply click on create contact. Now you have to add your client's email address, then contract name. You can say anyone like this, and add the description that like an XU expert, or you can say that I will work with you on Upwork, check just like this. I have just added some message here. Now you have to do is you can select the contract type, like if you talk with your client like hourly basis or the fixed price, you can select one of these. Now simply click on next, and then sorry for that, not this mail. I'm going to use a mail here, for example, a mail, sorry for that, and just like this, simply click on next. So I have just added a mail here, so you can add a milestone on your account, like you can title it for that as your project or anything. Sorry for that. And then you can enter the amount, so like this, and due date, you can select the due date from here, and then you can add some milestone more. Now simply click on next, and then you can do is you can add some note if you want. So then you can send the contract, and it will send as an email to that expected person or your client about the proposal, so they can open the Upwork link and create an account with one click account creation. Then after creating their account, they have to fund their amount on Upwork, and after completing the project, and when you have supply or delivered the project, you can get that money or the fund from the Upwork. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.